morning everyone. So this is my second video. The other one got messed up. I accidentally pressed stop instead of pause. Today's the 21st of February. Back to trading. Didn't trade yesterday, or yeah, because since it's President's Day, it's a casino bet trading that way. So I just kind of I don't even bother when there's holidays. Yeah, volume was thin. It was like 100,000, I think. And I woke up this morning. Volume was already, let's see, where's the volume? I think it was like 200,000 or something. I woke up this morning. Let's see, let's get CME. Yeah, volume's already at 303. Normally, you know, futures, or at least crude, average about 500. So, and it hasn't even started yet. So imagine what the day is gonna be like today. So anyhow, I kind of want to short this level right now. I'll just watch it because the first video I screwed up. This candle right here puts out this massive sell. So see at 54.80 there was a dump of 166 contracts. So you got to take a note of that somehow. But let's see if it's wanting to buy at 54.69 now, ready to push up. We will see. But I want to short this around this area. But 5 ticks is all I'm willing to give it. 6, 7 ticks. Yeah, about 75. We'll see. Alright, I'll pause the video. Okay guys, I took a first trade, entered at 91. You could see my oh sorry, short at 85, got out at 91. I knew it was gonna be somewhere over here, but I didn't think it was gonna spike that much. So as you can see, it's reversing again. See if I could I'll just wait, I'll watch. I'll be back. Just a note here, just before, in case it disappears, you see there's all these folks dumping their contracts right here, 200, 214, 101, 200, all at one time. So that means that's institutional selling, getting rid of their lighting up on their position right here. So that's one thing to watch. Interesting. Anyways, I'll pause the video, I'll come back up. Just a quick tip here on so earlier, as you saw, there was like several hundred contracts getting dumped. So watch this dome right here. Right now it's piling up right here. You got 209 at 55, 111 at 98, and right now, I mean, there's a lot of activity taking place right here. So I could see this pop another 30-40 cents or so, about 55, 55.30, because around this area you could see tons and tons of participant, and you know, you have your breakout traders who was also participating in this. So we'll see. Right now in the range, yeah, it's like $1.31. It's just a risk for me to it's too high of a risk for me to take this long, even though right now it's going up. So what I'm going to do is just really just wait. That's all you can really do at the moment. Not much going on. So yeah, so I'll just wait till this thing shows signs of slowing down, and maybe I'll fade that move again. The reason why I took that short is because I was watching this level right here. It got back down, and you know, I used extension tool. My entry was around was 85, right? So it was like right here, literally at the highs. So initially I was really just measuring this level right here, and it meets my 2-to-1 risk parameter, so I took it. Now, is it always going to be a winner? Well, this is a proof it didn't win, right? So I'm gonna follow my rules. I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I mean, I know it works. It's just it doesn't work 100% of the time. So so we'll just see right now. Right now it hasn't shown a sign of weakness here. So all right. Well, if you can, don't know if you could hear it from my voice, but I ended up getting bronchitis. I've been sick for what, almost a week or two now. Just been coughing. Finally went to see the doctor because I having a hard time breathing. So I ended up getting bronchitis from a sinus infection. It's crazy. Anyways, all right. I'm gonna pause the video. I'll come right back. Okay, guys. I took a quick, just a scalp trade here. 10 ticks is what I'm after. Got, what is that? 4 ticks of risk. Yeah, 94. I'm watching the tape here, and set a tick chart here with all the volume distribution at a price. So I'm focused on each of these cells right here, which one's piling up. And earlier 94 was much higher, so um, figured it's helping me read the tape here. So see, I knew that was going to be support. I knew that. So I put my little price cursor over here. So the long is still intact. I'm gonna reverse my trade. If I get stopped out again, I think I'll reverse my trade at 96. I'll just put it at 96. Might have gotten a wrong read from here. So I got this, and I got this, and I'm putting it together by reading how fast transactions are conducted per unit price. So 91 is a unit price, 92, you know, so on and so forth. So I'm just watching it, and I'm watching for the speed of the tape. Right now 89. I mean, it seems like I think this whole range might be a area of interest, but the only thesis I really have is that for a while he hung around 95, 94, and you can see 94 was getting sold real fast. And this wick right here, I think was the last selling, and suddenly it couldn't hold the support. So I got stacking odds in your favor. I mean, you can see there's support there and broke out of it. So now I'm hoping that 92, which was my entry, is now resistance, and so it's gonna test that several times. So, but if it blasts through that, then you're wrong. So I'll just reverse my trade if that happens. All right. Well, I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna come right back. Okay, guys. I got out of my last trade for a 1 tick win, and I'm trying to long this. I think I should have just done the tape is still pretty strong. I think the accumulation's happening here, and 830 is fixing a hit. That's probably one of the reasons why I'm hesitant to take any trade, just because this could all go up, and at that point I want to be in this trade. 55.30 is kind of where I'm targeting, so I'll pause the video, I'll come back. Okay guys, just a quick, I guess, lesson here, and this is me being away from my desk for so long. You know, I just got impatient, didn't allow for it to test. As I mentioned earlier, 94 was getting hit, right? So guess where it came back to? 94. And I should have trusted my instinct and not moved my stop. But it is what it is. So now my eyes are I think my eyes is back up now. So I gotta watch. My original target was 80, so we'll see if it hits 80 right now. All right, 830. There you go. 830, 80. Boom, hit. All right. Well, I'll be right back. I'll pause the video. Okay, guys. Decided to get in at 74, which is around here. Figured this might treat it as support, but I'm not sure if it'll go all the way down. I'm giving it about 5 ticks, so we'll see what happens. I'm hoping it is, and not break this 70 level, because I'm 1 tick away from that one. Even though I know it's looking like a place for support. Might give this a little bit more room, but I'm not sure what to do here. Looks like I might give it till about 67 in case it double tops, in case you have buyers right here. It's okay. I can always re-enter, buy it down here at 65. So I'm just gonna risk 5, see if I can make 20. So hopefully, see, it looks like it's weakening a little bit. Alright, I'll pause this video. You got my stop, so I'm not moving this. Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, this is my last and final trade here. Hopefully I got this one right. We'll see, because it's just, this thing, it just never made a, I'm hoping that this is the higher low, and actually I need to put my stop right, like maybe 2 ticks from that, which is right here, 68. Okay, well, I'm gonna wait for this 80 to get penetrated through. If it looks good, then I really want to take this to 50 through 55.30, but we'll see. Yeah, because 79 is still kind of getting beaten up here. Or the 80s right now is my enemy at the moment. So we shall see. Alright, I'll pause the video, I'll come back. Man, 80's just not giving up here, putting a lid. Look at that, 244 contracts. I already moved my stop just in case this thing does not see the light of day here around the 94 area again. I'm thinking people are going to sell it here because it's near to 9 o'clock here, and I'm at risk of getting stopped out. It's alright. I got got stopped out at 75. Yeah, 80, just put a lid on that 80. That's why I protected myself for it. Very interesting. Alright, well, I'll look for another opportunity. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm on my last trade here. Took an entry again at 74. Got hit, I think, with this candle right here. Pulled back a little bit, took a little heat, and then now it's trying to climb up there slowly with smaller candles. So I'm really hoping that this thing pan out. I'm trying to take 55.02, but we'll see what happens here. My stop is at 67, which is down here somewhere. Well, there it is. All right. Well, not counting the chickens here. I'm gonna wait. But meanwhile, I'll pause the video. Come back. Another 150 dumped at 54.80. So you have to expect some form of pullback here, and I think it's there now. All right. I'll pause the video. I'll come back. Okay, guys. This always happens to me. I don't know why. My first day trading back is always a loser. I think if you watch my video, I went on vacation last summer. I was out for a week, got back, and I lost like 2 days in a row. And I was really trying to protect myself. We have a transaction at 150. It was getting dumped right there, and I knew I had to kind of move my stop. And yeah, I got hurt today, but I'm gonna follow my rules. So what is that? 5 trades total, 30 ticks lost. Can't really complain. So anyways, y'all have a good one. I'm posting this video. It takes, I know there's a couple of lesson learned there, and really I was really hoping for this thing to come back and test this high. And my game plan was to buy here, sell up here, and as soon as I saw this 80 dump, I knew I was in trouble, especially with this big candle. Took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in a row, just took them out. So I was like, I knew my trade was in trouble. I was going to reverse it. I didn't want to chase it, but look how it's moving now. It's like it's just slide, and anyways, can't be right all the time, but you have to learn how to control your risk, your loss, and on a weekly basis, essentially, it just averages out. So, anyways, y'all have a good one. Take care. I'll see you on the next video. Hope your trading is better than mine today. Alright, take care.